Hey guys, it's your girl DVEJU VU, and I'm back here with another super dope amazing video. So I'm so sorry I did not do no intro to this video, so here it is now. I'm going to actually be showing you guys a new way to do, well, not a new way to do a wash and go. I'm going to be doing, like, attempting to do a wash and go for you guys. It's not going to be like the regular wash and go method. I'm going to attempt to use the L.O.C method because I've never used it before, for real. And I want to see how I go, and I also want to see how these products work with my hair and how it'll make my hair look. So if you guys want to see this video, like, share, and subscribe, turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every single time I post another amazing video. Don't forget to watch my previous videos with your friends, your family, catch your dog, another drill. Share those videos with everybody you love. Share those videos with everybody you love. Share good DVEJU VU, me, myself, and I can be popping. I love y'all so much, and let's get right into it. Cantu Coconut Curling Cream, Aussie Moist Leave-In Conditioner, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, the coconut part. So I'm just going to be spraying my hair with some Jamaican Black Castor Oil, water, and aloe vera, and then I'm putting on the leave-in conditioner. And then after the leave-in conditioner, I'm just going to brush my hair through with the denim brush. And then after that, I'm going to apply some oil to my hair and then the coconut curling cream to my hair as well. And that is how I am going to be trying to do the wash and go. And be sure to use a dime size amount. But you know, us naturals, dime size amount is not really dime size amount. It's really the whole glob of conditioner or whatever the product may be in our hand. But you're just going to rub that through your hair and make sure you get it all worked in, and make sure you be sure to like scrape it through with your hand so that your curls can be more defined and the product can work all the way through your hair. I also forgot to mention that I'm working on freshly washed hair, so that's how you see my hair all over the place. Or, well, not really all over the place, but in sections or not, because I literally, and that's also why my shirt and my neck is wet, if anybody was wondering. I had literally just got done washing my hair. I forgot to include that I'm also using Eco Styler gel just to completely define the curls, because as you all can see, my curls are defined, but it's not like to its fullest potential. So I'm adding some Eco Styler gel to add a little razzle dazzle, and I'm gonna do that throughout the entire head of mine. And then I'm also just going to brush it out to, you know, combine the products with my denim brush. Hey y'all, sorry I haven't been talking or whatever. What am I saying to you guys? I don't know. I was just trying to get it done and experiment. Okay, so here's the thing. I don't know why my hair feels dry. I don't know why it feels so dry and acting different. Like it don't want to, like it just feel like it doesn't have any moisture, if you get what I'm saying. I used some Pantene Gold shampoo, and I don't think that was a good suggestion, and I mixed it with some Aussie Moist conditioner, and I used it kind of trying to like do a duo shampoo conditioner thing. I don't think that was the best idea. Cause yeah, I don't like how my hair is acting. Like, it just looks very dry and malnourished. But I'm gonna continue to do this look. To do this hairstyle and see if the outcome surprised me. Hopefully it does, because I don't want to be a flop on the tube. I really don't. And by the way, I'm using the L.O.C method. And the L.O.C method is simply leave-in oil cream. And I have the Aussie Moist leave-in conditioner, and then the Jamaican black castor oil for the oil, and then the Cantu conditioning curling cream. People be doing the praying hands method, and that just do not work for me. Like, I don't get it. Well, not I don't get it, but like, it's not really my thing. Cause I don't think that really works for me. Okay, so guys, I literally cannot see up here. Like, I'm only working with this mirror, and I feel like that's why it's taking me forever, and stuff is not adding up. So I'm gonna go downstairs and finish this hairstyle in the bathroom, and then I'll come back when I'm done, and then I'll show you guys when it's all dry. I'm gonna let it air dry. I'm gonna go outside, do some homework, whatever, and then I'm gonna come back. It's okay. Is it okay with y'all? Because this not working out for me, and I just want my video to be the best, and I just want, like, quality over quantity. You know, you dig what I'm saying? Like, y'all just gonna have to work with me. So I'll be back, and yeah. Okay, so let me tell you guys, my hair, it finally dried, but it didn't dry 100%, but it's like 97, 96% dry. Nevertheless, I ended up just putting my hair in a puff anyways, and I took some of the back out to leave it out as like curls, did my edges or whatever, and here we are. So I hope you guys enjoyed this hair look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Yeah, leave me comments in the comment section. Tell me what y'all think. Give me hair video suggestions. Give me more video suggestions, actually. Tell me how y'all feel about my channel. Share my videos with your friend, and tell a friend to share it with a friend, so your girl DVEJU VU could be popping. That's me, so I can be popping. Yeah, give this video a thumbs up, turn on your post notifications, and yeah, y'all just have a great day. Y'all have a great day. Y'all make it amazing. Y'all make it peaceful. Y'all make it joyful, and stay tuned, because there are going to be more dope things coming. So I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for tuning in. Have a great day. Bye bye.